KicoBox is a new piece of hardware designed to provide an educational tool for an easy journey into the world of programming. Designed by a team based in California, KicoBox provides a way to learn to code by playing, learning and interacting. Watch the demonstration video below to learn more about the KicoBox system and its features. The educational kit comes supplied with 8 lesson cards to help you get started straight from out of the box, together with a companion application which can be loaded onto your Android or iOS tablet or smartphone to provide an interactive way to control your KicoBox hardware. KicoBox accommodates convenient switch between visual language and textual language such as Arduino IDE, and make it easy to learn programming for different age groups. KicoBox is available to back with pledges starting from $69 or approximately £50 and will be shipping to certain countries around the world during April 2018. During its Kickstarter campaign, KicoBox is available to back at an early bird price, offering a 41% saving off the recommended retail price.